Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Following the new Patriotic Party NEC meeting, a National Executive Council meeting, the discussion focused among several other things, including Dr. Baumia's running mate, the current education minister and member of parliament, Edema Bosomtri. Is it the best bet?
In profiling, I want to examine first. Nansubia menya afi wapano. I want to examine that first. I want to examine that first. That will be me a class, public administration, K University. I teach leadership.
Okay.
And then Nkomobia need MPP need. At the end of the lecture now, only me AD come up because na ye some for isi ho do no bia a pensen some fa wo mo. And also one of the personal issues against Dr. Adutwum. Na ogidi se on party man. Ogidi se on party man. And to me it was significant. Meaning is na only a bias, but on only personal experience in our how widespread is that? You know, how widespread is that? On party man my interrogative issue no. What does it mean? I would say sir, any be our issues
with him
against him, but somehow a personal.
Okay.
You know, somehow a personal. No question say the public self no. I'm yet to come up with any major issue ever standing against him, against his public self in the public conduct of his destiny. That is the issue to me. Ejina hotia napo so much. Especially the reaction to free SHS, you know, coming publicly, taking people on. Our issues are and you no or what expect knowledge, especially they see a professor from UCC in Ghana, and a teacher for and the professor be free university in APA, a cancer more. A policy, a education. Now, we are minister. You take it easy and listen to the person. You may not agree with him because political and Chasebi how they implement policy. No, but the expert will tell you that look, forget about your politics. Policy no, what the year Juma Maswaba Faso Ama or Mino, Nisantino. That's all. I didn't say anything. I didn't say anything. Safway, Omia Brofumba had their Omuhomsa consultants. Ghana for politicians, Omusa consultants. Now, Ghana need now on India, the Bermudia, Ogisa, or against the government. And to me, I said we are making a very important. A major public issue, and one is the number one public officer, and how you go about it, huge, and that is why I will not really support Napo's ticket. A major responsibility, I will not support it.
Okay, now
there's one thing with Dr. Adutwum.
Yeah, okay.
Joy FM 4, investigative journalist Nibi. Omuko baby dambai a fast course no we feed on the TOSA program also. Ghana's schools of shame and bibisa. Na mofrano da hona ekre nkunyane adadini ho terribly bad structures mofrano ekum eswemu ade. But Adutwum reacted. He wondered why the media likes to harp on the negatives, but one also can be some positives at our system room. But then important to me, and it's when Yanuha 12 and 4 came back to say that the minister a follow up actually said that particular issue or more ACC. But you see that challenge of the basic school ever JHS no and that's all. School structures no be basa but I know that resources are no their community. Abandon the resources in SHS. Now those resources allocation a cabinet issue. It does not depend on the minister. Minister made the resources the man and a yejuma. But I like the way he reacted to that particular issue. And the spillage of the voter dam. Many ministers of state echo voter regions. Almost commentary, any the reactions are a free voter region whereby I paid attention to that. Who said some of the ministers they came out openly to attack them and call on some of them to come and apologize. They commended Dr. Adutwum in the voter region and added that in some of the Kanoye, name of say or the Osiebeye or Yana. They commended Dr. Adutwum. This is the use of power publicly in a way a progressive, in a way a positive. Dr. Adutwum on the quiet and in the personal life.
87.9 Kumasi.
An active member of the Church of Pentecost. And when the religious card comes to be played anytime going forward, he will be a strong cushioning. The moment going forward, this card will be played. There's no doubt about that. The religious card will be played. But when it comes up, he will be there.
I see.
I will give him a plus. Don't consider another person.
So we will not rule him out. Obitimi is a likely person. They can work on that. Okay.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.